Greetings, Michael C. Phillips from Northern Thailand, and today we're doing another art video. This time, I'm going to do something a little different. It's going to be a demonstration, so hang in there. I'll do some voiceovers on it, and I hope you enjoy this. I've had a few people request this, so I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. When working off of a reference or any kind of reference material, the first thing is to kind of map out the size. Some people work from the outside doing contours, some people work from the inside working shapes. But the main thing is comparing parts to parts. So here I've got the basic outline of it. Now I'm going to work on the lid. Where does it land? How far is it in from the sides? Where does it compare to the spout? Where does the lid lay on it? How far is the lid from the handle? And just keep comparing these things. Now I'm going to make a few points and then I'll just be quiet and you can watch the rest of this demonstration. There are two main things I think that are very important to make a drawing, or maybe three. The first thing, what is your intent? What do you want in your process? Do you want the final drawing or painting to look exactly like what you're drawing? Or is it just an idea, or is it an impression? You can get tight, you can get loose. It doesn't really matter. It's just up to you. You are the creator of your object, so you are drawing it. So it's kind of the things that you like, and other people might say different things. But what is your goals? The second thing that I think is important is darks and lights, your values. The values are the utmost important. If you want something to look real, you have to get your blacks black and your whites whites, your lights, your midtones. You need to watch those. Where's your light coming from? You want to know that kind of thing. So when you look at your object, whether it's a face, whether it's a still life or a landscape, where's your light coming from? And it needs to be consistent. And that's what you'll continue to do. If you have light coming from one section, like sometimes we will use 2 or 3 images to copy. So in one image, the light might come from one direction, another image might come in from another direction. Now this can be very confusing to the eye when somebody's looking at it. So you want to be consistent on where your light's coming from. And in this drawing, I'm trying to keep it consistent, but the light is kind of coming from the upper left down, and I should have drawn an arrow to point that out. So I will just continue to work off the drawing to see if I can make it appear that the light's coming from the top left corner showing down. The third point I want to make is when you're drawing, the pencil and the eraser are equally as important. Some people don't like to use an eraser, but really it's equally as important as the pencil, the lead itself. You can draw, you can erase, you can add, you can take away, and you just keep doing this till you're satisfied with the end of the drawing. Now this drawing I'm working on no more than a half hour, so I'm not going to put a lot of energy into it. It's going to be fairly loose and kind of rough, but I don't think you need to worry about the kind of marks you make. The thing you need to be concerned with is filling in your darks and your lights. If you do that consistently, the object you're drawing will become what you want it to be, or what you're trying to turn it into. So you can use crosshatch, you can use scribble lines, you can use different shapes. It doesn't really matter. Even the color doesn't really matter when you're doing a painting, as long as you stand by your values. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that, and you can enjoy this. I will speed it up some so it won't take so long. So please subscribe. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.